Let's have a quick look at this gun holster by Houston. It's actually real leather for concealed carry. It's a metal belt clip and the Houston logo right here on the side with soft material, reinforced stitching, and the soft padding along the inner side. So it's really comfortable throughout the day. It has an opening on the bottom. The gun stays inside, but if you do any jumping or running and jumping off of banks and hills and stuff like that, it may slip out. But other than that, if you're running just straight, if you're doing some activity, you're not doing any backflips or anything like that, it stays in your holster. So it's very comfortable. Let's have a closer look at the detail. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.